I brought my daughter to Thailand for the very first time. In fact, it's her first trip to a foreign country. She is currently 22 months old. Before coming to Thailand, I was a bit worried that she might cry on the plane. Fortunately for me, she enjoyed the plane ride and she didn't cry at all. I want to talk about why I chose Thailand and in particular Chiang Mai. I currently live in Hong Kong and Chiang Mai is only 3 hours away by plane. So in case there's an emergency, for example, I get sick or my daughter gets sick, it's very easy to buy a plane ticket and go back home. So I would suggest if you bring a toddler to a foreign country, if you take a toddler to a foreign country for the very first time, it's best to choose a destination that is nearby. The other thing about Thailand is it's a very convenient country. You can buy food, drinks on every street corner. It's not easy for a toddler to walk for long distances. The thing about Thailand and the rest of Southeast Asia is that Grab is very convenient. We've been using Grab for the past 2 days and on average taxis arrive within 2 minutes. I want to talk about why I chose Chiang Mai because Chiang Mai has a lot of nature and as far as I know there are 2 zoos in Chiang Mai. One is Chiang Mai Zoo, the other one is Chiang Mai Night Safari. We went to both places and back home I often read to my daughter, but I wanted my daughter to see different animals firsthand. I wanted to make this trip educational. So she got to see elephants, giraffes, emus, kangaroos and koalas, etc. There are many activities in Thailand for toddlers. I sent my daughter to a nearby nursery this morning. Back in Hong Kong, I've taken my daughter to 2 different playgroups. But the thing about Thailand is this, the nurseries here are very flexible. It's possible to attend these nurseries on a daily, weekly or monthly basis. The nursery that my daughter attended charges 600 baht for half a day or 900 baht for a full day. Obviously it's a lot cheaper if you go for 1 month. Now yesterday we went to a shopping center here in Chiang Mai and inside the shopping center was an indoor playroom. It's very convenient because after she finished playing in the playroom, we went to eat in the food court and then we went straight into the supermarket to buy some nappies and some milk, went to the toilet, and then she went back to the playroom again. I think that there are many shopping centers just like this in Chiang Mai. There's one near the airport. We flew from Chiang Mai to Hua Hin. The flight time was roughly 90 minutes. I also took her to
a beach because why would you come to Thailand if you don't visit a beach? And then I also found some nurseries online, and it was possible to go for one day, so I took her there. I also went to Hua Hin Market Village, which is a big shopping mall in Hua Hin. It's surprisingly big for a small town, and the indoor playroom is big, and not many children are there. A lot of you may be wondering, do you really need to take a baby stroller or a baby carrier if you're taking a toddler on holiday? Like I said, in Thailand you can get the Grab taxi everywhere, but the good thing is you can always find a shopping cart in most big shopping centres. So you probably won't need a stroller. You don't need a baby carrier. And then after we played in the playroom, we took a van from Hua Hin Market Village to Bangkok. That's roughly 4 hours, and it costs 180 baht.
We have just got off the bus from Hua Hin, and this is my daughter's first time in Bangkok, and we are now at Gampangpet station. We need 4 coins, baby. Count them. How many coins? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we've got 4 coins. Right in. Okay, press the green button. Where's the green button? Yeah, no, green button. Where's the green button? No, here's the green button. Green button. Take this to the washing machine. Yeah, take it to the washing machine. That's right. Take the basket to the washing machine. Clothes out. Get the clothes out. Put the clothes in the basket. In the basket. Yeah, put the clothes in the basket. That's right. Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. And take the basket over there. No, take it over there. Yeah, take it over there. Alright. Now, can you open the door? Open the door. Open the door of the dryer. No, not that one. That one. Open the door. Open. Good. Now put the clothes inside. Put the clothes in the dryer. That's right. You got it. Close the door. Alright, that's good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 coins. Coins in. 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 Oh, in. Alright. In. Press the green button. Green button. Right, can you open it? Open it. Now. Oh. Now. Put the clothes in the bag. In the bag. in oh
I have gained a lot of valuable experience during this trip, and I am now more confident about bringing a toddler on holiday with me. There are some things that I did right, and there are some things that I did wrong. I have to admit that I brought too much luggage with me. I bought far too many nappies and far too many snacks and far too many clothes. In actual fact, all I needed was a rucksack and 2 sets of clothes. You know, when you come to a country like Thailand, you can always get the Grab taxi, you can always find a shopping trolley in shopping centres, you can find 7-Eleven on every street. So there is no need to bring that much stuff. I also believe that my daughter really needs to play and she needs a social life. Therefore, I think that the daycare nurseries are very useful because so far she's not playing with other children, but I'm quite sure that if I took her to these nurseries on a regular basis, she will get used to the idea of playing with other friends. Everything went according to plan. I'm very pleased with the entire trip, and I hope to visit another country sometime in the near future.